एंड एलिवेशंस। फिजिकल मैप हम इस मैप को कह सकते हैं जो किसी प्लेस के कुछ फिजिकल फीचर्स के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकता है, तो इसको हम फिजिकल मैप कह सकते हैं। One of the example of the physical map is showing the state of Kerala. Showing the state of Kerala is the example of the physical map. The second type of this map are political maps. Political maps. What do you understand by political maps? We can say that, dear students, we can say that political maps primarily focuses on the political boundaries of states and countries. It also shows the location of cities. Political map हम इस मैप को कह सकते हैं जो फोकस कर सकता है political boundaries of states and countries. ये हमें लोकेशन ऑफ सिटीज या कंट्रीज के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकता है, तो इस मैप को हम पॉलिटिकल मैप कह सकते हैं। तो इस मैप को हम पॉलिटिकल मैप कह सकते हैं। The example of this political map is showing the states of northern India. Showing the states of northern India is the example of a political map. Now the third type of the maps are thematic maps. As far as the thematic maps are concerned, a thematic map is a map focuses on a particular theme or a special topic in an area. Thematic map हम इस मैप को कह सकते हैं जो फोकस करता है किसी एरिया या प्लेस के पर्टिकुलर या स्पेशल टॉपिक पर, तो उसको हम थीमेटिक मैप कह सकते हैं। let me clear it once again for your proper understanding. Thematic maps are a map focuses on a particular theme or a specific topic in an area, such as annual rainfall, population density, and soils. These are examples of these thematic maps. Example of thematic maps of also the types of maps in India is also example of the thematic maps. Thematic map में हम एनुअल रेनफॉल देख सकते हैं किसी कंट्री के या स्टेट के या एरिया के या प्लेस के, या पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी को देख सकते हैं थीमेटिक मैप में, या सॉइलेज। ये एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक या स्पेशल टॉपिक या पर्टिकुलर थीम को हम थीमेटिक मैप में देख सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल हम एनुअल रेनफॉल जे&के की देखेंगे, या पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी हम जे&के की देखेंगे, या सॉइल्स टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल्स हम जे&के के देखेंगे। तो हम या डिफरेंट देयर आर अदर स्टेट्स इन इंडिया एज वेल, we can also check the annual rainfall of the different states of India or the population density of the different states of India, and what are the various types of soils in India. These all are come under the thematic maps. These are the examples of the thematic maps. Example showing the types of maps in India is also the example of the thematic map. Now the question arises here: what is the annual rainfall? My dear students, we can say that annual rainfall is the amount of rainfall in a given area which starts from the beginning of the year. For example, it means that the annual rainfall starts from the 1st of January and it ends on the 31st of the December. This is the annual rainfall of through which we can check the annual rainfall of a state or a place or an area. Now, in other words, we can say that annual rainfall is the average amount of total rain that a place generally receives throughout the year. इसको हम annual rainfall कह सकते हैं। Now, another is population density. Population density हम किसको कह सकते हैं? This is also the example of the thematic map. Population density हम इस तरह define कर सकते हैं। Population density may be defined as the number of the people living in a per unit of area, usually quoted by the per square kilometer or square mile. तो हम इसको population density कह सकते हैं। We can say that population density is the number of individuals or the number of persons living in a per unit of area or living in a per unit of area or a square mile. तो हम इसको हम क्या per square mile, तो इसको हम population density कह सकते हैं. Or in other words, we can say that number of individuals, population density may be defined as the number of individuals per unit of geographical area. For example, number per मीटर स्क्वायर या पर हेक्टेयर या पर किलोमीटर स्क्वायर में कितने इंडिविजुअल्स रहते हैं, तो हम इसको पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी कहते हैं. Population density कहते हैं. As far as the most density state of India is, Bihar is the most density state of India, which is followed by the West Bengal, and Delhi is the territory which is the highest which is the highest population in terms of the which is the highest density territory, which is followed by the Pondicherry and soils. These various types of soils. These various types of soils. Let me tell you what are the various types of soils. As far as the ICAR means Indian Council of Agricultural Research. They have classified that there are the 8 categories of soils in India. They have widely classified that there are 8 categories of soil in India. The first and foremost type of the soils is alluvial soil. The second one is black cotton soil. The third one is red soil. The fourth one is laterite soil. The fifth one is mountainous soil or forest soil हम कह सकते हैं इसको. Sixth one is arid or desert soil. Seventh one is saline and alkaline soil, and the eighth one is peaty or marshy soil. So these are the various types of soils which are classified by the Indian Council of Agriculture and Research. My dear students, the soils. This is the example of the thematic maps, and we have already discussed the various types of maps. We have already discussed what are the various types of maps. We have discussed the physical map, we have discussed the political map, we have discussed the thematic map, we have discussed the annual rainfall, the population density, and the soils. Soil, we can say that soil is the topmost layer of the earth, which supports the life of the human beings as well as which supports the growth of the plants. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. And let me tell you one more thing, that now the home task for all of us students, that you should memorize the various types of maps at your homes, and you should memorize the annual, what is the concept of annual rainfall, what do you understand by population density, and what are the various types of soil. This is a home task for all of you. Hope you are enjoying. Thanks. Have a nice day.